Hi folks, and welcome to Animated LED Lighting. Today I want to thank all of our followers and our subscribers on YouTube, Facebook page, everywhere. And this is another chance for me to reach out to you, our followers and our subscribers, to ask what you want to see. What kind of content would you like us to create that you really want to watch, what you really want to see? Because we have a bunch of different things that we can do. In fact, last time I did this, somebody asked for some animated props, some animatronics and stuff. So this year I'm trying to animate one of the generic Home Depot skeletons. I'm trying to use some servo motors and put those together. And I'm also going to redo the video I did last year of how I changed the eyeballs and the LED lights that I put in them. If you haven't seen the skeletons telling dad jokes next to the fire tree, look that up on YouTube. That was hysterical. There's a lot of good things that I have in mind, such as I'm thinking of doing a couple of skeletons doing an electric chair this year. There's a whole bunch of different things I have in mind, but it doesn't help if my viewers are not getting what they would like to see. So I'm reaching out to you. Put a comment down below and let us know what it is you would like to see. We do a lot of circuit design, a lot of PC board design. Last year we did a motion sensor to replace the Try-Me switch on most of your animatronics. So you can just unplug the Try-Me switch that comes from the store and plug in one of these motion sensors and good to go. You don't even have to set anything up. Just let it run. And anytime the UPS guy comes to the door and scare the crap out of him. I know all the UPS guys are going to hate me, but we do that, and we do a lot of 3D printing and things like that. So we've got a bunch of things that we create ourselves on our Etsy and Amazon page. Go ahead and take a look at those. And if you have something you need or something you can't find somewhere, don't be afraid to reach out to us. We'll see if we can find a way to create it for you. Okay, that's what we're here for. This company was created by me to give me something to do during my retirement years, which are coming up fast. I'm here to help you guys. So let me know what I can do. Let me know how I can help. And hopefully we'll be talking to you soon.